Creativity, designer, technology, and powerful computer combination of these four factors can give birth to invaluable pieces of art in modern days. A talented artist loves to create his masterpiece with his own hand. That's why we call it a masterpiece. But a simulated visual art doesn't allow an artist to use his hand to create his masterpiece and color it as per the wishes of the artist due to limited technical capabilities of computers. Microsoft came up with a fantastic solution to this matter, and it's introduced its own masterpiece to bridge the gap between an artist and the computer. You guessed it correctly, I'm talking about the Microsoft Surface Studio 2, and today we've selected this fantastic all-in-one computer for you.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Microsoft Surface Studio 2 is truly a masterpiece from the pioneer of desktop computing. The elegant design, powerful performance, and stunningly constructed Surface Studio would take away your attention instantly. Its beautiful 28-inch diagonal pixel sense display brings out the real colors, and the touchscreen is so majestic that you could almost feel it. The 13.5 million pixel display is designed so uniquely that it lets you tilt to 20 degrees to the studio mode. You can draw effortlessly in the studio mode and change it to desktop view whenever you need. Surface Studio 2 comes with the most advanced version of the Surface Pen, and the Surface Dial makes drawing and design work fun and creative. This amazingly designed computer has got high processing power as well. It comes with 1.3 GHz Intel Core i7 processor that makes command processing at light speed. You would love the processing speed. The high power processor is supported by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Graphical Processing Unit (GPU). And to provide memory support to its powerful processor and GPU, the all-in-one computer has got 32GB DDR4 RAM. The Surface Studio 2 has got 1TB solid-state flash memory to ensure quick access to stored files. This particular purpose computer is designed to run all professional-grade applications like Adobe Creative Cloud, Autodesk, SolidWorks. Surface Studio 2 comes with a Surface Dial, Surface Precision Mouse, Surface Ergonomic Keyboard, a Surface headphone. Whether you like using a keyboard or like using a touchscreen to do your creative work, the Surface Studio would be the best choice for it. It's time for us to investigate the market and find out what users are saying about Surface Studio 2. We found that this amazingly crafted AIO has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 30 users' ratings. The users love the Surface Studio 2 because of its fantastic touchscreen, cool design, and usefulness in creative works. Here are some real users' comments. One customer has rated the computer 5 stars with the comment, "This is the most awesome computer I've ever owned. I keep my previous Dell all-in-one as a backup, but after looking at the screen of this Microsoft Surface, the Dell looks dark and muddy. I can't even look at it anymore. The monitor resolution is absolutely brilliant, and the screen is huge but super wafer thin. Spending almost $5,000 is a pretty hefty price tag, but it's worth every penny. Trust me, you won't be disappointed." Another customer has rated 5 stars and commented, "The design and the smoothness of the transitions is impeccable. Screw Apple, this is the way to go." We found 2 critical reviews among them. One gave the AIO 1 star and commented, "Nope, didn't like it. The box looked like it was sent to me directly from a garbage can. It had all sorts of stains, and when I tried to use the computer, it didn't start at first, and then it kept turning off at me." That's all we have on the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.